Guys, make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make, and they may end up spending thousands of dollars on repairs, diagnostics, parts that they may not actually even need. We'll talk about that in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super quick, very helpful video to any of you having a Mercedes GLC this generation right here. For generation, if you want to find where the cigarette lighter, fuses and relays are located, guys, please do not waste money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. We'll talk about that, what you can check. And after that, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. You can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Even before we start, guys, let us share something with you. Okay, 9 out of 10 people do not know there will be hidden fuse boxes in that Mercedes. How many? Up to 6, 7 different fuse boxes, guys. Now, that's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes GLC fuse box location and diagram. Check it out. It's a video that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now, guys, when we make all these free videos, we take every single car apart that we get here at the garage. We make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. Cigarette lighter, sockets, fuses, relays, there will be some secondary fuses we need to check as well. Come to show you guys now on that first generation Mercedes GLC right here. Guys, what we need to check specifically here now, we need to go ahead and open the trunk. When you open the trunk, you need to leave the cover, the one that's on the bottom up. Underneath you have storage compartments, and here you have one flap. Open that flap. Underneath is the main trunk fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick, guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays. They look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay, and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays. And if you want to see how to do that, guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. Here what we need to check, guys, okay, 3 fuses and up to 1 relay. Make sure you stay until the end. The first fuse, guys, is on his fuse number. Okay, you may have all of them or some depending on your model and generation. His fuse number 445. It will be right here. Then you need to check 440, 446 and 47. So these 2 main fuses, and you may have one right here as well. What about the relay, guys? Where is your relay? You see? That relay will need to be checked. If you still have problems with that, what you may want to check is the fuses and the relays for the rear SAM control module, because that's the one that supplies power to the cigarette lighter sockets, power outlet sockets, and the USB chargers. If you don't know where the rear SAM, this is SAM, SAM control module, fuses and relays are located, we'll have the video on the channel. Check it out. Our mission is to save as much money as we can. Guys, this Mercedes has all kind of different fuses, right? You can see just in this fuse box we have 2 different kinds. Then if you go in this one, you have even some more special fuses right there in the trunk fuse box as well, guys. Now, it's always a good idea to keep some spare ones, guys, in the glove box for a peace of mind. That way, if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need a fuse, you replace it, you're back on the road. Otherwise, we'll be stuck in the middle of nowhere, guys. We'll share the links in the description of the video below, where you can get replacement fuses, relays, where we get most of our tools, part supplies from as well. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.